Alrighty, Mark, here's the 363 small block Ford. Description is a combination of, obviously, you supplied the cylinder heads to us. We got the ported hatch intake on and everything. Holley Terminator X, custom ground camshaft, vertical front sump, got the alternator on it. We're just kind of running it in. It's obviously built for boost for you. We're just running it in, make sure everything's good. We'll make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Already 3,600, 390 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 439, peak horsepower 5.7. Everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back and make sure it's good clean for you. Show you a couple of things. Receipt rented by the single standard credit card. USB card is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.